Welcome back. If you've ever tried digging through your Gmail, scrolling endlessly just to find an old but important message, you know how frustrating it can be. Well, today I'll show you a simple, updated way to find all your important emails that are over a year old right from your phone. It's quick, it's easy, and it'll save you a ton of time. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. This method works whether you're on Android or iPhone. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner and tap the menu icon. The three stacked lines you often see at the top of many Google apps. That's your gateway to all your folders and labels. Next, scroll a bit and tap on Important. This section automatically collects emails that Gmail's smart filters think matter most to you. Things like replies to ongoing conversations, work messages, or emails you usually open. Now that you're in the Important folder, glance up at the top of the screen just below the search bar. You'll see a filter option labeled Date. Go ahead and tap that. A list of time filters will appear, and this is where the magic happens. From that list, choose older than a year. Instantly, Gmail will refresh and show you only those emails marked as important that were received more than a year ago. It's a super clean way to find old information, receipts, confirmations, or messages you might need again. And here's a bonus tip. Once you've found those valuable old emails, you can star them, move them into a custom folder, or archive the ones you don't need anymore. Doing this regularly keeps your inbox clean and makes sure nothing truly important gets buried over time. So that's it. In just a few taps, you've unlocked a smart trick to find every important email that's been sitting quietly in your account for over a year. Give it a try today. It takes less than a minute and helps you stay organized effortlessly.